ministry abeyi Kennedy or in Agyapong ano say nsembia it looks like on the Kennedy started with Omahine of Adum TV. Now Okayama Omahine ankaza be issue statement say asem no Kennedy Agyapong kan onimu hore. Ministry ababonti e de omo statement about say asem ya Kennedy Agyapong kan no kra bia nim say Honorable Francis Asenso bo achiakwa kotonton ministry no wo mo Japade bi ni land bi ni no kra bia ni sansem no emu. Now with small checks and you be a propaganda be an ABBia give you a check here over find it out no correct yeah womb and we are some bakwa edaho. The Daily Dispatch this morning. NDC members angry with Fiifi Kwetey. Elections in Ghana are Ashanti and Ewe matter. It is shameful for Ewes to join NPP. NDC Fiifi Kwetey. Hey, but isn't it equally shameful for Ashantis to join NDC? We say, okay, if you don't say, Kwame say, a general secretary of a political party. A general secretary of a political party. Tibi Babon Tim Bekase. About what ye a Santifo ni angunafo. About what to momenwa a Santifo any angunafo. Na niwu so we ye angunani now joining MPP. Niwu so ye angunani now joining MPP. Why would a general secretary of a political party, not just any ordinary political party, a party that easily comes to power, go to opposition, come back? I mean, yeah, Kasakra as it stands, Obiakra Tepeze NDC, the possibility that the NDC is coming back to power is very huge. Because 8 years, that man Trano a play to the advantage of the NDC. Now, you have a general secretary of a political party. Atrase, why Ediampa enti you see on say de bia me kasa ansem we obi ene kokan say ani wu say asantifo enso be joining NDC a hey nke major issue in this country. Why will you say this? Why? I mean, asemuni ho ediem komon kwa na Fiifi Kwetey ebe kwa Fiifi, you have moved away from the days that you were the propaganda secretary setting the record straight. And now to me e kan de upe bia o kan wie na say NDC ba power na obeji u ministerial position ye fra ba say yi nsem no no a afa na atoto ba pass no. You're carving a niche for yourself. You're building a name for yourself and that of your family. And if at the end of the day, Fiifi, this is how you want to go about it, it will come back to haunt you. The NDC is a bigger party. Okay, equally, you will have people out there. Yeah. But when the day of reckoning, when that day comes, it will be you and your works. Ebaya wo anyone somewhere waka. And here, since when? And elections in this country, ebaya between the Ewes and the Asantis. Since when? Okay, yes. I am assuming without admitting, between the Ewes and the Asantis. And so, shameful for Ewes to join MPP. How? Why? Why? Huh. If you come back and render an apology Yeah, forgive you. You moving on as a country. Wow, bia or quite bia so. Okay, no, we saw about what I mean, they inflame person in the country. Near the so near Mahunu so, sa, or memoir, near so near Mahunu sa. So, right, let's move on. Opoku Prempeh is the only person to partner Bawumia to defeat Mahama, Agyapong. The new crusading guide. Mienkaza. Bobo de ana fre. Oman Penela John Dramani Mahama see. What do be measured this time around? The promises of be making. If the country is broke. B-R-O-K-E broke. Minor. Ye nika pre. Into ono crowd ye. Was re adwuma fo se oba omma na honeymoon kakra. Azara what we have fix minor. Any idea? We been kanchema e John Dramani Mahama me say. Ye free A. Azana e
could be.
To me no di kama wali mmere na gye to me no
na jiwia
na oni wo mu ahye te se de wo kan se na se de ase de aize o magiawie to me ne de
te se me ame de ati ma ha se ye negotiation
to me de magiawie hey
David
Mr. John kwala de to me first o now what be big car? What friend you may for him? We have go for we do mujae. What a document in your match. But I say, NDC focus. What is NDC? Shadow ministers. Yes, we Attorney General in waiting. Minister Education in waiting. Among women on what church
post, no?
Hey. When you 2 million so. Kenda wasembi otaka, you will laugh at the wrong side of your mouth.
That's right. Sure.
When you be ba hono.
Oh. Na afedi akati.
Your mama say Supreme Court to be anywhere be so.
There's a hands down.
Omo rene police station ho. John Dramani Mahama yentie ne nsemo a ode tu dwane bi. Na afi yenko yanim ene anopen so ewo ha. Aha.
But let me beforehand tell you that our country's economic situation is in a very dire state. The MPP has brought Ghana's economy to the lowest ebb that has ever been seen in our history. We are broke. We are indebted. There is hardship in the land. There's no money in the system. People do not have disposable incomes. Pensioners' monies have been taken. Bondholders' monies have been taken. And so it's created a very critical situation for us. And therefore, we are very measured in the promises that we make, because we know that we're going to come and inherit a very difficult situation. And so we would urge that when we come into office, you understand the mess that we have inherited. We have the men and women who can work to turn it around. But we will all have to understand the situation and be patient as government works to put the economy back on its feet. And so while you are making demands, if government comes, help us with this, help us with that, yes, we will. But initially, the first thing we have to do is to bring the economy back to life. And I know that as soon as we come, one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to hold a national conference, a national economic dialogue, and we're going to bring all stakeholders together. We'll open the books for you to see the mess that the NPP has left for all of us and what we have to do to be able to bring it back. My brothers and sisters, when NDC was leaving office, the total public debt was 120 billion cedis. total from Kufuor's time, Atamil's, Rawlings' time, Nkrumah's time, we owed only 120 billion. Today we owe almost 600 billion. I just want you to understand the situation in which we are. In 2016, when I was leaving office, no, let me say 7th January 2017, when I was leaving office, if we took all the money Ghana owed, and all of us Ghanaians, we agreed that let's share the debt, and everybody should go his way. We'll all take our portmanteaus and go. We'll share the debt, and we'll pay, and then we'll go our way. All of us would have paid about 4,000 cedis. Everybody, including a newborn baby, 4,000 cedis. Today, if we decide to share that 600 billion amongst 30 million people, all of us, even including a newborn baby, will pay almost 20,000 cedis. That's how much you owe. 20,000 cedis is what you will be required to pay. And so you can understand the extent to which the economy has been destroyed. But like I said, NDC has the men and women to be able to bring it back to life.